This shit.
I can't explain. I got a feeling that I can't erase. Just a feeling that I won't leave behind because it's something that it's on my mind. I guess it goes like na na na, na 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 na.
Guys, here we have Dante with his Mark 7R.
GodSpeed 7R.
So Dante, can you tell us when you bought your car?
You know that March. When we did that detail. It's around 7th, I think.
7th of March. What was the first thing you did to your car when you got it?
Sent it to one shots detailing.
And then thereafter, any mods, any maintenance work?
There you go, it's about. So I did the spoiler.
Right.
I didn't even a few sticker mods. Shots photography, global graphics, a global tuning sticker.
Right.
And I got the GodSpeed sticker made. Still waiting for curated media sticker. I don't know when that's coming.
Any maintenance to the car?
Yeah. Racing an S3. The PCV left the chat. Sorted that out thanks to my
What
global tuning.
and what caused the PCV to give out, should I say?
They know to be troublesome on these cars. Last year.
The
I think
car.
it was the Obi-Wan mix, so I mixed it too strong.
Was it your first mix?
Yeah.
And what can I say? Do you daily the car or do you use
Hey,
it
yo,
weekends?
when I got the car, I drive everywhere with the car. You know how much I spent on fuel, bro?
What mileage you got it on?
89,
And what's the current mileage?
94.
So you did around 5,000 Ks in how many months?
March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Like 7 months? Not bad.
It's not bad. Still a lot of mileage for 7R. What's your favorite thing about the car?
Yeah, the bubbles.
The bubbles.
And the seat warmers, brah. Can't sleep on the seat warmers. Ah.
Anyways, we can hear that the car is a bit noisy. What mods do you have? What mods do you have done to the car? What mods did the car come with?
To be fair, like the car came with the mods. So we got IS38.
Yeah.
Full. It's practically a fully staged super. Got downpipe,
Yeah.
R600 intake.
So the basics. There are.
Oh, I did fix the fault damp now.
There are. Oh yes.
Yeah,
So the basics of a Golf owner. Basic mods.
basic.
Alright. Any future plans for the car?
Lovely to turn this thing into a track. Full on.
Specifications of what you'd like to do?
8 seconds.
8 seconds.
8 seconds. Imagine. Nah, I mean realistically 10.9.
You wanna keep the standard 4-cylinder?
Yeah, I wouldn't mind. That was out with the DQ 500. Oh,
That's like the
that would be
end goal.
Oh, that would be the end goal. I swear.
Yeah. And what cars have you raced so far?
We raced that yesterday. Well, that was my first run, but the PCV left the chat.
But
So
how were the runs?
it was nice. We stuck with each other.
Yeah.
Couldn't tell who won. Yeah.
And
Then the second one was the B58.
What was that?
Oh,
Oh, that
that
340i.
340.
Right.
That 340. we
Was that
gave it.
X drive?
Yeah.
And how was
2.5 cars.
you beat you?
2.5 cars.
Were you running on pump fuel or did you have a mix?
Had Obi-Wan.
That Obi-Wan.
Had Obi-Wan.
Very nice.
Car had good stuff.
We interrupt this program to bring you...
Anything you dislike about the car?
It gets hot too fast.
It gets hot fast. And
Yeah.
any plans you have to sort that out?
Often, well, bigger intercooler.
Yeah.
Water injection would be nice.
Water me.
And
I think that would be
that would be insane.
that would be good overall because it'll help also with your performance and your cooling as well. Today's current temps is at 98 degrees. like a proper first time drive for me because from what your car was to now, it's like literally like I'm driving the car for the first time. It feels because it feels so.